Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we proceed with our tutorial, I'm going to apologize for the video quality. Measurement for today is 60/40 and we are making use of a length 90 gele with 3 joinings. We are going to tie a V-shaped full fan bridal gele. You make 4 pleats and place in front of your client's head. Then you cross. When crossing, ensure it's tight and ensure your shorter hand is on top while the longer hand is under. You bring the shorter hand forward to form your V. Ensure your V is at the center. When it's done, you pin properly to secure. Then you proceed to take your longer hand. You make 4 pleats and send it all the way to the back and pin. The makeup on my client's face was done by my friend. I'm going to leave her Facebook handle and her Instagram handle on the screen. Please go follow up and check out her works. If you're interested, you can also book for makeup trainings. Watch carefully. When pinning at the back, ensure it's properly pinned. Ensure it's tight and secure. Then you proceed to start making your fan. When picking your fans, you take small, big, small, big. And when taking your fan, don't pick at one place. When you pick one fan, you move downwards, just like that. If you pick at the same place, it's going to turn out awkward. You're going to see, but we are going to adjust it later on. You see that part that is bigger? That's the evidence of picking fans at a single spot. When you're done picking your fan, you twist out and take to the back and pin. Then you cover. We then proceed to make finishing touches. This is very, very important because it's going to determine how your gele is going to appear. What I'm doing here now, I'm adjusting the excess. When you want to do that, you open the gele, you pick and you draw. Ensure everything is intact. You cover your back properly and neatly. Just ensure that you're satisfied with the look of your gele before you proceed to do any other thing, because your finishing touch is key. Now this is the final look. Nice and classy, beautiful full fan bridal gele, and she loved it. See my client, better person. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget to check out my other videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.